Okay, let's take a look at this.
What's up, Nyanners? It's your favorite doctor, lawyer, teacher, plumber, astronaut, Johnny Sins here. Your Twitch mods and myself just want to wish you a happy birthday. They tell me you're a big fan of me, well, and my monster dong. So thank you, Nyanners. I appreciate that a lot. And as your doctor, I have your diagnosis. You've been diagnosed with being horny on main and being a naughty gremlin. All right, Nyanners, I hope you have the best birthday ever and keep killing it on Twitch.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much for that. Oh my god. Out of all things that I thought, like, what would be done for my birthday, I was not expecting that. Thank you. I feel very attacked right now in the best way. Thank you so much, Yibber. Thank you.